I'm Darian Woolbright, and we are well into 2021. And although last year all of our festivities and everything were very different, I sure hope you enjoyed the year and made it a great one. I want to take a moment to thank you again for your continued support. I love helping people achieve their real estate dreams. So thank you for working with me and supporting my business, and I love referrals. 2020 has been nothing short of an eventful year in every way. We saw uncertainty in the market in March and April, followed by a surge of demand that's continued even now. I have some shocking statistics for you. This time last year, there were 4,271 homes on the market with an average of 35 days. Right now, we have 2,270 homes on the market with an average of 29 days on market. What does that mean to you? Well, it's a great time to fulfill your real estate dreams and make them a reality. I'm always here to help and answer any questions you may have, so feel free to reach out to me directly. You can call my cell phone or you can email me. I hope you had a great January and you're getting ready for spring. I'm so excited to see what wonderful things 2021 has in store for us. Thanks for watching. I'm Darian Woolbright, your eyes on the real estate market.